Okay, welcome to this tutorial about how to check your grades on Canvas. This is a fairly simple task, but it's always better to have a video to show you how to do it. So you're going to start off on your dashboard after you log in, and go ahead and just click on your class. After you've clicked on your class, you're going to see your to-do list to the right, along with course groups and what's coming up in the course. But to check your grades, you're going to go over here to these different tabs on the side, and you're going to click on the Grades tab. This is how you'll check your grades. So you can see that for my first assignment, I got 5 out of 5 on that assignment. And you can scroll down and see all the due dates and your grades for the future courses. You can also change how your assignments are arranged. So maybe you want to change and view them by assignment group. Click the button, hit apply, and it will change how your grades are organized.